Wings by Yishu Wang in 50 by 63 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with violet pearls that we have sprinkled on the violet areas of the painting. So this would be mainly the large butterfly right in the middle. So sprinkle the violet pearls on those violet wings, as well as on some of the other wings of butterflies around her that is purple in color. Open the Wings by Yishu Wang in 50 by 63 cm round special treatment version 2 now adds electric diamonds that we have placed in the background. So this would make the image look as if there is a bright light behind the girl. So simply place your electric diamonds and sprinkle it in the area where you see right now, right behind the girl, behind her head, behind her wings, as well as on this section over here and some over here. So just sprinkle it randomly to give it a nice glowing effect. Open the Wings by Yishu Wang in 50 by 63 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on the pink areas on the canvas. As you can see, we've got some pink areas on the butterfly's wings, as well as on that butterfly that she has on her hair. So once again, for version 3 of Open the Wings, we've got violet pearls right over here on all of the violet areas sprinkled, and then we've got electric diamonds for the background to make her look like she has glowing light behind her. And finally, for version 3 is now adding morganite crystals that we have sprinkled on all of the pink areas, mainly on the pink wings that we see on the picture. And this would make this image the version 3 special treatment. Once again, if you purchase this in a different size, it would use the same special beads that we have used in this particular one for 50 by 63, either less of the beads for a smaller canvas or more beads for a larger canvas, but it would have this similar look.